Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be working with Love Me Hair Collection, and today I'll be installing the 14-inch WaterWave 5x5 C-part wig. So right now I'm showing you guys the box, how it looks and what comes inside the box. So it comes with a hair bag, a hair pouch that has a hair lace band in it, a mirror, and a stocking cap. And also a edge brush to do those baby hairs. So right now I'm showing you guys the wig. These are the curls, and this wig did come pre-bleached already, and I did pluck the knots a little bit off camera. Pluck the hairline a little bit off camera. So right now I'm just putting some makeup on my cap just to blend a little bit better with my skin complexion. So like I mentioned before, I did pluck the hairline a little bit off camera. So right now I am putting a little bit of makeup concealer inside the lace, and I'll be putting some on outside the lace. The knots were bleached on this wig already, but I always like to add a little bit more makeup to help with the blending better. So right now I am just positioning the wig on my head to see where I'm going to spray the freezing spray. I'm going to spray it right in front of the stocking cap. And as you can see, it matches perfectly. And I'm going to tie that lace band right around, and I'm going to dry it down with a blow dryer on cool air. So right now I am getting ready to cut the lace, and I'm just gonna cut right in front of those hairs as close to the hairline as possible. Just going over a little more with concealer. And right now I'm going to comb down some baby hairs, light baby hairs. Just spraying a little bit more melting spray just to make sure it's completely melted. And I'm using my blow dryer to melt it with the end of a comb. So right now I'm combing down those baby hairs with some mousse. So I'm going to dry it a little more. So right now I'm going to take the lace melting band off. And as you can see, it is melted. And I'm just combing those baby hairs out to give it a more softer look. And right now I'm just running through that parting area with a little concealer to make it a little more visible. So right now I am combing out a piece to show you guys how you can straighten this curly hair. So I'm just going to comb through as I straighten. So you can straighten and then get it back to its natural curly state. So right now this area I'm just going over with my straightening comb a little bit. So right now I am putting my lace band back on. so that I can with the hair and get it back in its natural state. So I'm just wetting it with the spray bottle. I'm not drenching the whole hair because I don't want it to get super flat. I'm just spraying just to get those curls to pop. So right now I'm just scrunching it to get it back to those curls. I just keep spraying and scrunching. So for the rest of the video, I will let you guys kind of watch it through. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I will put Love Me Hair Collection link in my description box below so you can go check this specific wig out and many others. Thanks for watching.